Day 6 and our last full day on Mana Island. We're saying goodbye to our favourite Australian family that we met here on Mana Island. Bye guys! A pretty lazy day for us. This is by the adults pool. I tried my first pineapple Fanta today. It was actually really good. Then lunch, we have never gone hungry while being here. Then a wander down to South Beach. This puppy's half buried because it's cooler in the sand. Then massages on the beach with puppies under the table. We both kind of fell asleep, so needless to say, they were amazing massages. Thank you, ladies. Check out the view though. How magnificent. And a thanks to the 11-year-old local who filmed this for us. She's so sweet and so shy. We actually booked in for another one tomorrow. And a big thanks to our videographer. Thank you, sweetheart. So when I wasn't looking at the beach, this is the view I had. Cute.
Hi.
Then it was a staff and guests touch rugby game. Then back to South Beach to watch the sunset and check out these puppies living their best life. Check out the colours of the sunset. Oh, beautiful. Another massive dinner and beautiful entertainment. Thanks, Sam.